my name is Ashlea and I'm a baby sign language instructor and children's author. I'm sharing signs, stories, songs, all kinds of fun stuff to help you communicate with your little one. So be sure to subscribe and follow, join along with us. Today we are learning The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. He really does. Okay, by Mo Willems. Oh, hello. How are you? Hello, how are you? This is a bird, pigeon. Oh, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? Let's see. I wonder. Oh, what I've wanted forever. At least, well, since last Tuesday. A puppy! Okay, so to sign puppy, you're going to slap your thigh. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. Just like that. Like you're calling your dog. Your puppy! Oh, a puppy, a puppy, a puppy, he says. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. Water. Promise I'll water it once a month. I don't think that will be enough. What? Everybody knows that puppies, just tap your thigh. Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Ooh, there's the W, water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? Happy. Oh boy, this pigeon, this little bird, he doesn't know. Let's see, he doesn't know what comes along with being a puppy carer. You don't want me to take a puppy dog piggyback ride or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. See, like the beak of the bird? Oh, puppies. Look, I have a puppy on my shirt. Puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. I want a puppy right here, right now. I don't think that's the way to get it. Oh, what's this? In the back, he hears a woof. Oh, what's that? He's a little nervous. Woof, woof. Oh, is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Oh my goodness. I think you might have scared him a little bit. Oof. Oh my gosh, it's huge. The teeth, the hair, the wet nose, the slobber, the claws. Oh my gosh, I mentioned the teeth, right? Basically, really, I had no idea. I don't think he knew. I think I've changed my mind. Oops, close my book. Changed my mind. So the next thing he says is, I want a walrus. I want a walrus, like the tusks at the front. Oh boy, he's funny. Oh, the end. That was a really cute one, wasn't it? Great job. Thanks for joining. Bye, everyone.